Summertime means more kids outside with more free time. Getting outside and getting exercise is great, but parents and caregivers need to remember some simple safety rules.
Call it summer trauma season because there's a dramatic increase from May to August in the amount of emergency room injuries.
Bike accidents are one of the most common causes of summer injuries, but there are simple steps to follow to prevent accidents or ensure that injuries are less severe, like riding in an area away from traffic or on the sidewalk, making sure the bike is the right size for the rider, wearing bright colors like white, yellow, or pink, and most importantly, wearing a helmet and making sure it fits properly.
We always tell them to cover their thinking brain and their seeing brain, and that's the part that the helmet should cover. So it should be on the top of the head, not tilting, not to the side, not on the back, just right on the top of the head. And then it should be 2 fingers above your eyebrows, and then right below your chin.
Making sure children are safe near water is another important step in preventing summer accidents, and that means life jackets.
When we fit them, we want to make sure that these parts are nice and snug, and then we do the touchdown test where we have the kids put up their arms, and there should only be an inch between the top of this and their shoulder.
Summertime is also travel time, so make sure children under the age of 4 are in car seats, that they're in booster seats until they're 8, unless they've reached 4 foot 9 inches tall, and that they stay in the back seat until they're 12 or 13. But the most important tip may be the most obvious.
Making sure that they're buckled up is going to reduce the risk of injury by 70%. Best way to make sure your kids buckle up is to buckle up yourself. A Safe Kids study actually just said that kids are 3 times more likely to do what you do and follow your rules if you're doing them too.
But all these tips can't replace one simple rule.
Just to supervise, supervise, supervise. That's what we always say every time we talk to parents.